Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. We will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this task effectively. First, let's gather our tools. You will need 1. A Torx T15 screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A small brush for cleaning. 4. A soft cloth. Now, let's begin. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11. Safety first. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the button located on the handle. This step is crucial as it gives you better access to the motor housing. Once the dustbin is removed, use your Torx T15 screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located on the motor cover. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess your vacuum's needs. After unscrewing the motor cover, gently lift it off. You may find some dust and debris inside. Use your small brush to clean the area thoroughly. This is a great opportunity to maintain your vacuum's efficiency. Next, locate the motor. It's usually situated at the bottom of the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will help during reassembly. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, consider our pickup and delivery service. We can collect your vacuum from your home, perform the repairs, and return it to you, no calls, no travel. Now that the wires are disconnected, you can remove the motor. Use your Torx T15 screwdriver to unscrew the motor from its base. Take your time here, the motor may be tightly secured, and applying too much force can cause damage. Once the motor is free, you can replace it with the new one. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the wires according to your notes from earlier. This step is essential for your vacuum to function properly. If you'd like a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team. Now it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the motor cover back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Finally, reattach the dustbin and plug the vacuum back in. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. You should notice an improvement in suction power. If you encounter any problems, remember we are here to assist you with professional services at your convenience. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V11. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can prolong the life of your vacuum and enhance its performance. Keep your tools handy and don't hesitate to call us for any future needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.